Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're doing the first cash stuffing of the year, which is insane. So let's go. So today we are stuffing 458 euros. That's what we have here today. Actually, we have only 408 because the 50 allocated to the savings is in a different pile, but we will talk about that a bit later. So we have ones, fives, tens, 20s, and 50s. Once again, I do use a mixture of real and fake bills because for long-term sinking funds, I use fake bills, but I will show you those when we get to it. So as usual, let's start with cash envelopes. Groceries will be getting 45, which is going to be a 20, a 10, and 3 fives. So 20, 30, 35, 40, 45. So for spending, I have decreased my amount of 30 weekly to 25 weekly with the new year. I'm going to try to stick to that budget during January, and then we'll see how that goes for me all the other months of the year. But spending will be getting 25, which is 2 tens and 1 5. So 20, 10, 20, and 25. And then dine out will be getting a 70, which is a 50, a 10, and 2 fives. 50, 60, 65, and 70. So that's all. And buffer has a 50 for now, but we're not stuffing it just yet. Then we are moving on to our short-term sinking funds. So Ruby Rose, our little red new binder, is first. And first is Beauty, and it's going to get 30 in total. We're stuffing 10 into nails. So nails have, by the way, these are my new nails. How do you like them? I really like them. Wanted to go, I did nude nails last, and I wanted to do something dark now. So I'm very happy how they turned out. So Beauty nails now has 20, 30, and 40. So that was 10, and then laser is going to get a 20. And my next laser appointment is middle of February, I believe. So I need 160, and now I have 50, 100, 150, 200, 220. So that's good, but I do want to be kind of like 2 months worth in. So yeah, I'm not calculating the total of Beauty, but that was what we stuffed today. Birthdays is getting its first 5. This is a new envelope, and first we are working on my friend's Elsa's birthday, and it's on the 13th of February. So we are stuffing its first 5. I have made a goal of 40 for my friend Elsa, and when we hit that, I'm just gonna color in the little cake. So birthdays is going to get its first 5. That's exciting. Clothing is next, and it's also going to get a 5 today. And the total is now 55. And fun is going to get a 10, and we're working with winter now. And winter has now 50, 60, 70, 75. And then gifts is not getting anything today, but it has 180. And then we have our Johnny Cash binder. We have health first, and we're putting 30 into miscellaneous. Miscellaneous is kind of my collect all category, which I put everything I have, and then if I need money in any other category, I just pull it from this one. So miscellaneous has now 50, 70, 90, and 100. So that's great. A good cushion to have. And then holidays is also a new envelope, and it's getting its first 5 today. We are working on Valentine's Day right now, and when we have hit the goal of 30 for Valentine's Day, we're gonna color in the hearts. Once again, all of these A6 trackers are available on my Etsy shop, so make sure to grab some if you're interested. So holidays is that. Rollover is getting a, what is it getting? 20 today. That took me a while. So a 20. So rollover has 20, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56, 57. Great. 57. And travel is getting 126 today. So 50, 120, 25, and 26. So we are putting it in here. So let's check how much we have now. 500, 700, 800, 850, 900, 920, 940, 945, 950, 950, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So 954 in travel. Great. So Maldives is not getting anything today, but that's all for this binder. And now we are moving on to our long-term sinking funds. This is the binder where I use fake bills in, these placeholders that I made myself. You can purchase them from me on Etsy, so message me on there and I'll let you know how you can get some. So baby is going to get one today, so it has 151. Then car is also going to get a 1. It has 150, 61. Emergency is going to get a 10. And it has now 1,000, 2,500, not 500, 1,200, oh geez, 1,000, 2,000, 2,050, 2,060. So this is me working on my emergency fund. Right now the goal is 3 months worth, but the goal for the entire year is 6 months worth. So we'll see how we manage to save with that. So home is getting a 1 and it has 150 and 51. So 151 in home. Next is pets is also going to get a 1. And that also has 151 now. And then retirement is getting its first 10. This year's goal is 1,000. And these little filled jar trackers are also available on my Etsy shop. So we're stuffing the first 10 in here for the year. So that's fun. Savings is an empty envelope for now, and we're not stuffing it in this envelope. We're gonna go back to savings when we finish stuffing this money, and then I'll tell you what we do. Technology is going to get a 1. And it has now 151 as well. And then weddings is the last envelope in this binder, and it's also going to get a 1. So in total it has 151 now. Great. So that's Daisy Duke binder. Then we have savings and miscellaneous portion of my binders. Charity is first and it's going to get a 1, and it's the only envelope in here that's getting anything today. So Christmas, this is for Christmas 2023. We're starting stuffing it, I think maybe in March. We'll see. Etsy has 50 and tattoos and piercings has a 50 for now as well. And then our A5 binder, my favorite binder. 30 for 30 is me saving 30,000 euros until my 30th birthday. So today we're adding a 5 to it. Yes, a 5 to it. So it has now 1,050 and 55 in 30 for 30. So that's great. Subscriptions, we have 3 envelopes. We're saving for my credit card, my Spotify, and transport. So we have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we can put in today. So credit card, we need 14 euros to be done with 2023. So we have 10. Let me put 4 in so we can be complete 1, 2, 3, 4 with this year. So we only need to stuff for next year now. And this is my monthly fee to keep my credit card open. So that's what I need each year. And then we have 1 extra, which I think I'll put into transport because Spotify has 10 already. So transport has 10, 15, and 16. So this is mostly for cabs, monthly subscriptions for buses and stuff like that. So it's kind of accumulating envelope also. And then my monthly savings challenge is an envelope I'm going to start stuffing next week. This is a mystery kit each month to kind of help you save. All of these are available on my Etsy shop. It's a mystery design, so you don't know what it is until you get it, but I have already revealed the January one in my previous video, so go check it out if you want to see it. But now my favorite portion, we're going to introduce the 50 envelope challenge. I talked about this on my video of 2023 budget setup, I think part 1, and I have a miscellaneous amount of bills. This is not 50 euros, but we are allocating 50 euros each week. I just didn't know what denominations I will need, so I just grabbed a bunch of random ones. So we have a budget of 50. We're gonna grab envelopes as we go, and then we're gonna stuff until we can't stuff anymore, and anything we don't stuff out of the 50, we're just gonna put into rollover. So let me mix these envelopes up, and we can see our budget is 50, so let's see how much we can stuff today. This is the first time we're doing it. I'm so excited. Let's do this one. This is a 4 minus a 9 minus 11 minus 6. Oh, this is gonna be faster than I thought. 19. Okay, and if we don't grab a 1, then we can't stuff a 1. Okay, no, so this is a 20. Okay, so on our first day, we're gonna be able to stuff 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 envelopes. So the one rollover amount I'm going to put into my rollover envelope. So now let's color in the amount. So 19, 6, 11, 9, and 4. So we are coloring in the little envelopes. These trackers are also available on my Etsy shop. I also sell bundle of 50 these mini laminated envelopes. You can get them with the tracker or without the tracker. You can get them numbered or without numbers as well. So that's for this. So let me put in the denominations we need. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not counting this until we stop stuffing it. I have not counted how much is the actual total amount we can get in here, because I just put random numbers in here, and I thought it's gonna be more interesting if we don't know the total until we actually finish the challenge. So 9 is going into this envelope, and then we are stuffing 19, so that's a 10, a 5, and 4 ones. So 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. And then 11, a 10, and a 1. So this is not the usual 50 envelope challenge, which goes from 1 to 50. This is like completely random numbers, and there's only 3 times you can stuff 50, which is the biggest amount. So that's why we have 50 allocated each week. And here in this one goes 6. So yeah, I just thought this would be more interesting than a regular 1 to 50 envelope challenge. So this is getting 6, and that's what we have stuffed today. So let me put this in here, and each week we're gonna come back and we're gonna stuff this until we can't anymore. And I'm so excited to see how much this is and how this develops. And yes, so I'm going to put this back into my bank account. This is just gonna be a occurrence of me bringing random bills. As you can see, I can't predict what kind of denominations I'll need. But yes, that was all for today's cash stuffing. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel. We have fun over here. I'll be back very soon with more videos, but in the meanwhile, I wish you a very wonderful day, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.